What is thread priority? In Java, you can assign a priority to threads, which can influence the order in which you can schedule, in which the thread scheduler will schedule based on your priority. Generally, the thread priorities are ranged from a minimum to maximum priority, which is 1 to 10 interval. By default, thread will have a normal priority, which is 5. If you provide other than these values like 1 to 10, you will get an illegal argument exception at runtime. By setting the thread priorities, you can give certain thread as a priority to schedule the threads, but it purely depends on the operating system's thread scheduler. We cannot guarantee that always the maximum priority thread will get first seat. We cannot guarantee that. For this, let's see an example in our Java. So we have two threads, which is thread 1 and thread 2, and we have thread 1 as the highest priority, which is maximum priority, and thread 2, which has a minimum priority. By default, these threads will have normal priority, which is 5, so we are overriding that value to maximum priority, which is 10, and the minimum priority, which is 1. If you provide other than these values, we will not get compile time error, but we will get a runtime exception. For an example, if you want to see that, say for a thread, we will be assigning some other than 1 to 10. Let's execute it. If you try to do so, you will not get any compile time error, but while running this, you will get an error saying that illegal argument exception for the set priority method. Let's remove this, and yeah. So, and one more important thing is that we are using a lambda expression here, so the thread will accept runnable interface, right? So the runnable interface, which is having only one abstract method, which is called run method, so you can use the runnable, you can use the lambda expressions to create a thread like this also. So we have thread 1 and thread 2. We have set priorities, and we are starting the thread 1 and thread 2 starts, and then we will wait these threads to complete before the main thread completion of it. Right, we'll see how the priority will impact. As I said, that thread priority will not guarantee you that order of this threads. Sometimes you get high priority is finished, sometimes you get lower priority is finished. It is maximum time that you can influence the thread scheduler to prioritize your threads to schedule as based on a priority. That's it. Yeah, so here if you see that we cannot guarantee that low priority and high priority. Hope you got a clear picture on this thread.